Try to pull up, originating the exercise with the upper back. And we'll do 5 more. All right, let's switch to the other arm. The opposite leg, the knee goes onto the chair with that arm. So you're resting comfortably on the chair. Nice straight spine and pull. Okay, 7 more. Okay, let's let the upper body rest. Have a seat on your chair. Place the weights down. And we'll do our healthy knee straight leg raise. Extend the leg out. Have the foot straight with a flex foot and lift. Try to sit up with your best posture. Let's switch to the other leg. Extend the leg out, foot is flexed, good posture, lift and lower. Try to sit at the end of the chair. Okay, we're going to do another set. So make sure on this that you are in the front part of the chair, because if you're sitting back, it's going to be difficult to perform the exercise. So we're in the front part of the chair. We're going to extend the leg out. We'll do 8 more on each leg. Switch to the other leg, straight leg, foot is flexed. And now we're going to use one medium type of hand weight, one that you would use for the back of the arm for the tricep kickback. So hold on to one hand weight. We're going to go back into that position where we have the knee and the hand on the chair, straight spine, and we start with the elbow up. Very little movement from shoulder to above the elbow. Five more. Okay, let's go to the other arm. Place the weight in the other hand, and the opposite knee and hand rest comfortably on the chair. Straight spine, elbow up, straighten and bend. 5 more.